Hello, welcome back to Miss Diaz RD channel with Miss Diaz. Okay, previously we talked about the process of writing, we talked about how to do rewriting, and then now we'll go to the structure of a paragraph. Okay, um, before we go to the structure of paragraph, I think you need to know what is a paragraph. Okay, so that you have a guidance to write the not too long and not too short paragraph. Okay, so a paragraph is a group of sentences about a single topic. Okay, this all is taken from Zimah and Rumiset 2003. Yeah, in their book. Yeah, paragraph is a group of sentences about a single topic. Okay, a group of sentences. Yeah, about a single topic, not more than a topic, because this is a paragraph. Yeah, a paragraph is often 5 until 10 sentences long, but it can be longer or shorter based on the topic. Okay, commonly the paragraph, yeah, a paragraph consists of 5 until 10. Yeah, based on Osima and Hawk, it's around 6 until 12 sentences in a paragraph. But as stated here, the paragraph can be longer or shorter based on the topic. Okay, but if you try to find the common paragraph, the number sentences in a common paragraph, you can have around 5 until 10 sentences long. Then the first sentence of a paragraph is usually indented. Okay, if you have a paragraph, you need to type it, yeah, indented. Okay, that's a sign of a paragraph. Okay, that's a paragraph. And then after you know what is a paragraph, you need to know three basic parts of a paragraph. Okay, in a paragraph, at least you have these three things. Okay, the first is topic sentence. The second is supporting sentences. And the last is concluding sentence. Okay, you start your paragraph by a topic sentence. Okay, this is the main idea of the paragraph. Okay, if you ask about what is the main idea of a paragraph, it should be the topic sentence. Okay, it's in front of or at the beginning of a paragraph. It is usually the first sentence of the paragraph, and it is the most general sentence of the paragraph. Okay, your topic sentence should be like more general than the rest, okay, of your paragraph. And the second part is the supporting sentences. As the name, supporting sentences. These sentences used to support the topic sentence. Okay, these are sentences that talk about or explain the topic sentence. They are more detailed ideas that follow the topic sentence. Okay, this is the explanation or elaboration of your topic sentence. Next, the last parts of a paragraph called concluding sentence. Okay, in this may be found at the last of the sentence. Yeah, it commonly at the last because it concludes your paragraph. Okay, it can finish a paragraph by repeating the main idea or just giving a final comment about the topic. Okay, later on we will learn deeply about how to end a paragraph. So yeah, for the introduction, the concluding sentence is at the end of your paragraph, and it can repeat the main idea or just giving the final comment about the topic. Okay, after you know three basic parts of the paragraph, maybe you can try to find those three basic parts of the paragraph in this paragraph. Okay, if you want to try it, just pause this video and try to find the basic parts of the paragraph. If not, just go on to the next. We will talk about identifying and writing topic sentence. Okay, one important part of a paragraph is topic sentence and how to write it. The first one, yeah, topic sentence come first in a paragraph. Okay, when you write the topic sentence, make sure that you write it at first in the paragraph, in the beginning of the paragraph. Don't put it in the middle or at the end of your paragraph. Okay, that's an important thing to remember. Second, topic sentence give the writer's mind idea or opinion about the topic and helps the reader understand what the paragraph is going to talk about. Okay, this is the main idea. So yeah, try to make it more general than the rest of your paragraph. And make sure that this topic sentence help your reader to understand what the paragraph is going to talk about. Yeah, at the beginning. Okay, don't make a confusion at the first sentence or in the topic sentence. Make sure your topic sentence help your readers to understand your paragraph start from the beginning. Okay, here is an exercise. Maybe you can try to find the topic. Okay, circle the topic and then after that underline the main idea of the topic. Okay, you can do this by pausing this video, or you want to go to the next. Let's go to the next. Okay, the next is also exercise how to write topic sentence for these topics. Okay, you can applying your previous knowledge about how to identify and write a topic sentence. Okay, maybe that's all about this video about the structure of a paragraph, three basic parts of a paragraph, and then today you know about what is topic sentence and how to write it. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand three basic parts of paragraph and what is topic sentence. That's all this video. Thank you.